navigate urban streets, cruise the bike path, or explore forest trails. Part mountain bike, with its flat handlebar and plush suspension bike, and part city bike, ATX is at home in any environment. Closely related to Giant off-road bikes, ATX features the familiar flat handlebar and 100mm suspension fork of a traditional XC mountain bike. A lightweight ALUXX aluminum frame, engineered with comfortable geometry for challenging terrain, adds to its rugged personality. It also uses size-specific wheel diameters. Smaller size bikes use 26-inch wheels, while larger sizes use 27.5. This tailors the bike's handling to every rider's size and height.